Penny, look, right here. Do you see him? Don't eat him. What are you doing? Okay, look at him. What is he? What is this? Oh! Get him. Go get him. What is he?
Penny, don't eat.
She ain't gonna eat him. She's just sniffing him.
That is so cute.
Is this your friend? Look. Penny, what's your friend's name? Look. Over here. Mommy has him. Did you hear him chirp?
Who? Who chirped?
The toad.
Oh.
Penny, look. She's looking for him.
She's so blind.
Come here. He's right here. What's your friend's name? Come here.
It's gonna go to my house, babe.
Look at her. Look, she wants to play with him. See that?
Whoa. It's coming to me.
No, don't move because then he'll go in the house. Look at him. What is it? Oh, look at him. He's getting away. Oh. He chirps. Oh, look at her. She's like, play with me. Look how gentle she is.
She's not even touching it.
She's like forever away from it. It's right there. She touched it that time. Be gentle. Be nice to him. Sit. Sit. Penelope, sit. No.
It's like a cat.
Penelope, sit.
She's acting like a cat.
Sit. What's your friend do?
Penny, face the other way. I don't want to see your butt.
Sit. Be a good girl. Sit. Good girl. Who is that? Who is that? Don't hurt him. That's right. Don't touch him.
She's
Don't
erasing.
touch
Whoa.
She wanted him to jump. Don't eat him.
Oh.
Penny. It's right here. Penelope, look. Hey, blind
She's still
one.
looking for it
Blind,
over
he's
there.
right here. You should hear her like sniffling, smelling him. Can you get closer to him? Look how